So before we get into today's video, this would not be possible without my buddy Anthony. I'm going to put his business card up on the screen. If you guys are in Texas, or if you guys are in Southeast Texas, on the west side of Louisiana by Lake Charles, if you're by Woodville, Anthony's shop is located in Kuntz, Texas. And if you guys need anything worked on, it doesn't matter if it's a truck, like he's working on that truck. He's working on this G37 also. So, and then there's my car over there. So if you guys need anything done to your car, send him a text message. I'll have his business card come up now. Send him a text and he'll gladly work on your stuff, and he'll give you a good price, like a great price. So I have a buddy coming out here from Houston. That's almost 2.5 hours. 2.5 hour drive just to have Anthony install coilovers and some camera arms for his G37. So Anthony will give you a great deal. So without him, this video would not be possible. And also, guys, go follow Chris. I'll have his Instagram come up now. Without Chris, he's the one that sold me the Supercharger. So Chris sold me the Supercharger for an amazing deal. If you guys could please support Chris, go follow his Instagram, tell him thanks for helping out the channel. So because of Chris, the Supercharger is going on, and because of Anthony giving me a great deal for installing it, both of them, so help both of them out. And now let's get into the video. Alright guys, well, this is the final drive with the ZB naturally aspirated. It's honestly really crazy to think about. I'm not going to be able to shift at 8,000 RPM anymore. I'm going to miss that actually. I'm going to miss the NA. I think I will. I can't believe I'm about to supercharge this thing. Like, oh my gosh. I'll see you guys when we get to the shop.
Air ratchet okay. 150.
That's right. I have already been looking up cars though.
I wonder. Actually, your valves are really clean. Like, I mean, stupid clean.
Factory freak.
I mean,
Or just
you ever look down a GDI motor yet? The valves just covered in carbon. I did one on a Mazda 6 the other day, but I mean, them things are stupid clean. Not a lot of oil in the lower plenum either. It's in good shape.
looks like my BMW when I freaking cleaned it.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
So I can focus on my big day. To get your free quote, 10,500
Coat these. No problem. want that clean. Okay, so features.
Guys, should I take it? Should I take it? He went inside. Family Dollar, should I take the GTR? Should I take it? Even though he just got me Sonic? Nah, I couldn't take this. He knows where I live. This guy's checking out the car. Anthony's just over here just talking. I was like waiting to go talk to Anthony.
Yeah.
All we did is go to Family Dollar, and this guy. That's whatever. You don't ever see that. This thing is kind of funny.
I felt so bad for the car. It fucking slipped. It just went boop.
Gosh.
Yep. It didn't like that.
No, it didn't. It's on 93 right now?
Yeah, 93 on 10 pounds.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, we're not on 15.
That's fine.
Not the best road to do that on either.
Yeah.
Right, rubber?
Yeah. You're good?
Yeah. There she goes. There it goes. Yeah, that's not half an inch, by the way. It said. Yeah, this motherfucker. Feature right there. I bet you.
See it right there at the top of the screen? I had it better moved it.
Fuck. It feels like I've been doing this forever. This is the shit you should be getting on fucking YouTube, because people will laugh at this shit. Oh,
I am right now.
Oh, okay. I was like, look at these dumbasses with the fucking camera and the fucking...
There it is right there. But damn it, I can't get it.
I can't believe it still got that long to go.
You ain't moving it, but, you know,
It
freaking
feels like I'm
there
moving it a
at
good bit.
time.
And we got it. Come on now. Perfect. Damn.
So that's the rib. The 7 rib is gonna go at the very top, and this one's gonna go at the bottom.
Okay.
And it's gonna make looks like it's gonna make a circle, kind of through here, a half C, backward C, and it'll mount. This top one should mount, I believe, right here.
That one right there, I would bet you.
Yeah.
Dad, feed that oil line down through there, it says. Yeah, we're gonna. It's those are gonna have to stay there because that's to the sensors to the VVTs.
Yeah,
It's
see,
either for the
it's
timer.
got another zip tie right here, but I don't know if you want to take that one off.
Okay, hold on. I see it. You're right. Let's here. Dad, take that. Oh look, it's hitting already on this. What's that? The AC line right there?
Yeah.
Yeah, that. I have to bend it down too. Jesus, you're gonna get a lot of ins and outs. Alright, give me that book and I'll read and we'll go a little forward while y'all picture it and stuff. Alright, so we're gonna put the 7 rib pulley on there. We gotta make sure we got the food on.
We gotta put the boot on.
Yeah, food's gotta go on.
They got some.
Go ahead and go back a step, and that's actually go ahead and mount the pump, because it says first mount the pump and mount brackets using shoe.
Yeah, unless they want to come clean up my house. Because it's both of them.
You seen that exactly now?
So yeah, if they want to come.
So, should be finished tomorrow. I already got the supercharger on. Just little things left, but the only thing that's given us an issue so far is putting this on, because as you saw, you have to use a bent wrench just to get it in there and tighten it, and then we had to bend it more just to make it fit. And then the brackets for these, as you see, we had to improvise and make it fit. So because this is made to fit like other also made to fit a G37, not specifically 370. So I'll let Anthony explain the main issues with this kit and what he would do, but the only issues that we've had so far is just making the intercooler fit, which it's on, and getting that manifold tight, which it's tight. So all that's left is literally just hoses. The hose will wrap around, go right there, and the other hose, which will be right there, will go around here, in there, and then route right up there. So almost there. We're probably about 75% done. We got the book. So there's 70 photos, we're on 57. So this is all we have left. And that's it. That's all we have left. So
The pump's not gonna go all the way through there.